put my hand up to block this glare. There's nowhere to park. It's not really sunny outside today either, but you know, let me take this off. I don't need to know my whole government. And of course I'm wearing white so it just blend in. But, oh shoot. I just left this job fair today. Just want to thank Jesus, you know, because it was nice. And I didn't plan on doing a mukbang, but I was like, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get food. And why not record one time? So I went and got Panera. I finally got Panera today. And I usually like to sit down in Panera, but one, they didn't have nowhere for me to prop up the camera, and two, I was like, my mukbangs are usually in a car, so it won't feel right doing it over there. So being that I didn't plan on doing a mukbang, you know, I didn't really look up anything. I just got what I usually got. So I just got what I usually get. So I usually get the pick twos, so I got to pick two, and I got a veggie sandwich. A Greek salad, and of course they famous baguette that people love. So, but kind of tough though. But that's all I got. Like I said, I didn't plan on doing a mukbang, so I guess this is just gonna be a regular one. I'll still put the details on the screen. Though I'll look it up and still tell y'all, since you know we're supposed to be doing certain amounts of stuff. But this mukbang is just a chill one. Next time I go, I'll really, you know, look up this stuff. But like I said, I didn't know I was gonna do it, so it was just on the spur of the moment. I've been craving, not really craving Panera, but I wanted something refreshing. I've been craving something refreshing. Like, I don't know how to explain it, you know? That lady in there, I told her I wanted a cup of water. She ain't even give me the cup. I think she was mad. I don't know what she mad about. I ain't do nothing to her. But it's alright. I got my bottle of water already. The only reason I asked her for the cup of water is because I was thinking about sitting in there, but she ain't even give me the cup of water. So good thing I came back to my car, because I would have been parched. Like, miss, do your job. Today went by so fast. I got up so early this morning. Like, I got up at, what time my alarm rang? I think it rang at 7:30. That's not like, I mean, people be up at like 5, but that's early for me, okay? Who don't have classes on Wednesdays. But it was for a good cause. So basically, they had this statewide, I don't know if it's statewide, I'm guessing it, I don't know if it's the whole of Pennsylvania who be knowing about it, but one of the biggest job fairs in PA. So I'm guessing it's the whole of PA, I don't know. But PA is big, so I don't know. But they had this huge job fair with like over 100 and something employers. And of course I'm not gonna not go to that, you know, like that's a great opportunity. You don't know who you're gonna meet. It's just about networking, connecting with people, getting yourself out there, presenting yourself in a way, you know, that people will remember you. And it's also good, you know, I'm not a closed off person. I'm not very stagnant. I like to keep my options open. So even things that has nothing to do with my field, maybe nothing that I never thought I would be applying to or be interested in, I would like to learn more about it. So that's what that is. That's why I can't. Let me turn this down because, yo, YouTube is wailing. But yeah, It's 3:19 right now. I need to go. I feel like I have some type of work to do, but I just don't know. You know what I'm saying? What you looking for? What else is going on today? I don't know. I'm busy this whole week though. The way my neck and my shoulder is killing me from carrying around my purse or my pocketbook, whatever you want to call it, all day. It's crazy. This is the veggie sandwich. Just over here dropping stuff. Oh, I was supposed to go to Rite Aid. I forgot. Whatever. I love Panera's veggie sandwich. It's so good. I think it's the bread. It's just, I don't know. How should I do my hair? That's the only thing about when I do my hair. I don't be like having time to do different hairstyles with it. So I get bored. But like, should I do like 2 braids tomorrow? Should I do a ponytail, a bun? Because I know y'all tired of seeing me with it just like this. You know what I'm saying? You know, the little pin up like this. What y'all think? The little side swoopy thing. I don't know what this. I don't know. Let me know what I should do with it. Do 2 braids. What y'all thinking? No funny. That video I put up for McDonald's mukbang. YouTube is really playing. Like, I was not even playing music in that video. I literally was just humming and singing a song, and they took it out. I mean, are you kidding me? Like, I really had to go back, re-edit everything. It's so annoying. They're getting out of hand. Like, they're getting very out of hand with this. I don't think they really understand that, you know, some people don't do YouTube as a career. Like, we don't have time to just sit down and edit videos all day. You know what I'm saying? Like, we trying to get there, and I feel like you're holding us back. Let me know if you know what I'm saying, because I know I'm not the only one that feel that way. The music I can understand. Playing in the background I can understand. But humming it? Are you kidding me? I can't sing a song. Like, no. They're bugging. But let me know. Y'all know what I'm about to say already. Let me know what y'all want me to do next. Comment down below. Make sure y'all do though. I'm about to head back to campus. I'm about like 40 minutes out. So, we'll see. I'll make a stop. Put some gas in my car. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come back and visit Veronica.Em. And if you guys want me to tell you guys more about these job fairs stuff, let me know. Because we could do that. You know, we all just want to be successful. And, you know, make our living, this one life we have on this earth, on God's green earth, and live it to the best of our ability. That's what we want to do. So let me know. We can make that happen. For those of y'all who've been with me since day one, y'all know I'm all about motivation. I'm just a motivational speaker. I love it. I love that energy. You feel me? You need somebody to talk to, let me know, because I'm here. And I'll let you know about reality and life and success and doing what you have to do and getting up there, right? I ain't gonna preach to y'all right now though, because this is not the video. This is a mukbang, so we'll leave it at that. But like I said, don't forget to come back and visit me in my next video, okay? And I'll see you guys later.